Do you remember that in our last week phonics class, what did we learn? Which sound we learned? Only that child will speak. Huh? I will ask Jivika. Jivika, tell me which sound we learned in our last. Chirag, why are you in this class, beta? You have to join another class, no? You have to join Marathi class. Just a second, huh? Okay. So tell me which sound did we learnt in our last class? कौन सा sound था? I ask this to whom did I ask? Whom did I ask? Bhavish, do you remember which sound did we learn last week? Ha. Very good. You said H. Ha. Okay. H says ha. What did H says? What did H say? Ha. What did H says? Ha. Ha. A. Ch. Hut. Ha. A. Ma. Han. Okay. Now, ha. A. Na. Hen. Right. We learned these words that begins with ha sound. Now today we are going to learn a new sound, but before that we are going to revise. We are going to again revise little. We are going to revise about the sounds. So now Didi will be sharing with you. Didi will be sharing with you a screen, and we are going to look at this pictures, and Didi will be showing you, and only that child will speak. Arav Matre. I can hear some sound. Jagannath, you have to be on mute, better. You have to be on. Just a second. I want everyone to be on mute. Arav Matre, tell me. Arav Matre, tell me. The first picture. Look at the first picture. Arav, look at the first picture. Tell me which picture it is. Tell me the word. ये कौन सा picture है? कौन सा picture पहले बताओ.
Picture है. First. Yeah.
Umbrella. Okay. Now tell me, Arav, tell me, what is the sound? What is the beginning sound of umbrella? Umbrella का beginning sound क्या है? है? Is it umbrella you say? Umbrella you say? Very good. It is It is okay. Now Rushika, look at this picture. Rushika, look at this picture. And tell me, Rushika, look at this picture. Tell me which is this picture. What is this picture about? कौन है ये? Who is she? कौन है ये बताओ देख के picture. Look at the picture and tell me who is she. Queen. Now tell me, what is the beginning sound of the word queen? What is the beginning sound of the word?
Queen.
Qua. It is qua. What is it? Qua. Okay. Now, Vrunda, tell me what is this next picture? Last picture. Look at this. Tree. And what is the beginning sound of this word? Tree. Very good, children. Very good. Now, I'm going to ask to Shrestha. Who is Shrestha? I'm seeing you for first time in the class, Shrestha. Are you a new admission? Shrestha? Just a second. Shrestha, are you a new admission, beta? Shrestha, you are a new admission ना? आप नए admission हो? First time attend कर रहे हो class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so welcome Shrestha, welcome in first B class and आपके पास books वगैरह है?
हाँ मैम.
Right, okay. ठीक है, so I will connect with you Shrestha afterwards. Okay, so welcome in our class today. So, okay, now you have to listen to carefully. आपको listen करना है carefully. Now again I'm going to share this screen. Advip, tell me what is this picture? Advip, is it a car? Do we call it a car? Look at this picture. Is it a car or a
Jeep.
jeep? Very good. A jeep. It is not a car. It is a jeep. So when I say jeep, what is the first sound you can hear?
Jump.
J. Very good. J. Very good. Now, next I will ask Vaibhavi Shelar. Vaibhavi, tell me what is this picture, beta? What is this thing called?
Bottle.
No, it's not a bottle. It's not a bottle. Bottle ऐसी दिखती है?
Jar.
Very good, Vaibhavi. It's a jar. It's a jar. So when I say jar, what is the first sound, beginning sound?
J.
Just
J.
Jog.
J. Very good. It is J. Okay, children. So today, now can you tell me, can you guess which letter, which sound Didi is going to teach today? आज हम कौन सा sound सीखेंगे बताओ? In the chat box, I want the answer. Huh? Let me see how many can you guess correct. Didi has shown you jeep, jar. So which is the sound we are going to learn today? First answer came by Bhavi Shetty. Next, Doha, followed by Rajvi, then Kurshad. Yes, it is J. It is J sound words, okay? So now, what we are going to do is, we will be looking at a video, okay? We will be watching one video with J sound words, okay? We will enjoy it. We will listen to that video very carefully. We will watch it carefully, okay? So just a second, huh? And then we will learn some new words that begins with J. So we have seen in that video, J is for jolly, jolly. J is for jar, jar. Can you tell me a few more words about that begin with J? Doha, can you tell me one word that begins with J? Word J that is that.
Jacket.
Wait. Wait, children. I asked. You have to say like this. You have to say, look at me here. Look at me, Doha. You have to say with me like this. J is for jacket. Okay? Say J is for jacket. J is for J. J is for J. J is the sound. J is for jacket.
Jacket.
Okay, very good. Now who will say one more word? I will ask Anvi. I will ask Anvi. Anvi, tell me one more word. J is for ja. What? Is for ja. Jag. Jaguar, you said?
Sanggu.
Jaguar, you said. Okay, I can see many answers in the chat box also. Yes, jolly, jam, jack. Okay, very good, children. Now we will be learning few more words that begins with j sound. Okay, so today our objective of today's class is, just a second, huh? So the objective for today's class is that we will be able to read and write j sound word. What is this sound? Deepika, sorry, Dishan, tell me which sound this is. Which sound?
Jug.
Deepika,
Jug.
j sound, right? Very good. J sound. Okay. So now the first word we are going to learn, and let's see how do we write j. How do we write this letter? How do we write J? Let me stop sharing. Let me ask you. Okay. How do we write J, children? How do we write J? Show me in air. Air में दिखाएंगे मुझे कैसे लिखते हैं? How do we write? Capital में कैसे लिखते हैं? One slipping line and then like this, ना? Yes.
Yes.
And how do we write in a smaller case? छोटा कैसे लिखते हैं smaller case में? Like this. Umbrella का जैसे handle होता है like this and a dot. Okay, like this, a dot. Yes. Okay. So now let's see the first word. Okay, let's see the first word. So the first word is jam. Jam. Everyone will be on mute. सब लोग mute पे ही रहेंगे, but you all will read with me. You all will read along with me. No one will write anything. I can see Bhumi, you are writing. You will not write. First, you will listen to Didi. Okay, you will listen to Didi. We will read, and then afterwards we will write. So everyone will read along with me. Jam. कोई भी लिखेगा नहीं. You will not be in a hurry to write. Jam. Jam. Okay. Shifa, don't unmute and read, beta. Jet. Jet मतलब एक विमान जो बहुत fast जाता है. Which moves very fast. बहुत fast. Okay. Jet.
Jet म्हणजे
I want everyone to be on mute. Still, I can hear some noise coming from the background. Jet. Jet मतलब it's a plane. एक plane है जो हवा में चलता है. It's the plane that moves in air, but it runs very fast. Okay. Jet.
कुठल्या किती आयडिया
Jet. Okay. The next word is jug. The next word is jug. 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 Okay, what is the ending sound? G. What is the starting beginning sound? J. What is the middle sound? A. J. G. Jug. Okay. J. G. Jug. J. G. Jog. Manasvi, what is it? J. G. Jog. Jog मतलब हम जो एक्सरसाइज करते हैं ना, रनिंग एक्सरसाइज, that is jog. Okay. J. G. Slowly we runs. Jogging करते हैं मतलब हम थोड़ा धीमे धीमे दौड़ते हैं. Okay, we run slowly. J A G. Jog. J A G. Jog. The next word is J A B. Job. Job मतलब हमारा जो काम होता है, that is called as job. J A B. Job. J A B. Job. Jivika, pay attention here. J A B. Job. And the last word is J A T. Jot. J A T. Jot. Jot मतलब जो हम लिखते हैं, what we are writing, jot down करते हैं, note down करते हैं, that is called jot. J A T. Jot. J A T. Jot. Now children, what I am going to do is I will be tagging you, and the only child to whom I am going to tag will read this word. ठीक है? आप read करेंगे and others will listen to that child. Okay? Now the first word, I asked Shifa Khan, read the first word. How did he read? You have to read in that way. Shifa Khan,
Jug.
read properly. How you will read? Read properly. I can't hear you, Shifa.
Ma.
ज म है या ज आ म है? शिफा, is it j or is it j a? I want answer from Shifa. Rushika, please wait. J am jam. Very good. Okay, now the next word, Rishika, you read the next word. What is this word? What is the middle sound? Middle sound बताएंगे क्या है? Eh. j a jet. Okay, Annie, it is a. Egg, na? Egg, E starts what with what sound? Egg, right? So jet. Jet. Okay? Jet. Doha, read the next word. Doha, can you read this word? Doha, unmute and read, beta. Okay, I'll give chance to Bhavish Shetty. Bhavish, read. Bhavish, read.
Jug.
वापस से read करो. Bhavish.
Jug.
Very good, Bhavish. Very
Jug.
Who said that? Who said that? Children, you are not supposed to say all these things in the middle of the class, right? We have come here to learn something, okay? And while speaking in this way in the middle of the class, you are disturbing the class. Okay. Okay, Bhavish, thank you so much. You read correct. Now I will ask, I am going to ask Shivraj. Tell me what is this word? Shivraj? Shivraj, can you hear me? Okay, I'll give chance to Gaurav. Gaurav, tell me, what is this word? Gaurav?
Sorry, ma'am.
Gaurav?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this word? Can you read this?
J-O-G.
J-O-G.
No, 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 this is wrong. This is wrong.
J-O-G.
What is this sound?
Sir, jog मतलब
What is the beginning sound?
teacher.
Jog. But how you will read,
Jog मतलब
how you will read jog? J O. How you will read jog? J O G. Jog. How you will read jog? J O G. Read. Read it again. Gaurav, read again.
J-O-G. Jog. Jog.
कैसे रीड किया आपने गौरव? टेल मी हाउ डिड यू read? आपने रॉन्ग रीड किया. That means you are not listening to Didi.
जॉग मतलब
Wait a second, Dishant. Just a second. I will explain. Just a second. मैंने ये भी बताया था. That means children, you are not paying attention when I am telling a meaning also of each word. मैं हर एक word का meaning भी बताती हूँ. मैंने jog का भी meaning बताया था. Right? That means you are not paying attention. And Gaurav, you read in a wrong way. दीदी जब read कर रही है, right? When Didi is saying j or g, j or g, जब दीदी आपको बार बार read कर रही है, repeat कर रही है, right? But you are, और जब आपको पूछती है, when Didi asks you to read, you are reading in a wrong way. See Gaurav, again you are looking here and there. You have to follow what Didi is telling you. Gaurav? Who is there with Gaurav? Gaurav, आपके साथ कौन है? Just a second. आप Gaurav, who is sitting with you? आपके मम्मी है या कौन है? सिस्टर है? कौन है? मम्मी है. तो पेरेंट्स से मैं ये, क्योंकि देखिए पेरेंट्स आप बैठते हैं ना बच्चों के साथ, तो आपको भी ध्यान से सुनना है जब दीदी कुछ सिखा रही है. ये जो कंसेप्ट है फोनिक्स का, इसमें आपको बच्चों को साउंड सिखाना होता है. बच्चों को लेटर के साथ हम नहीं रीड करवाते, राइट? जो फोनिक्स वर्ड है ना, इसमें हम साउंड के साथ रीड करते हैं. जैसे मैंने बोला, मैं रिपीट कर रही हूँ ना हर एक वर्ड, तो आपको भी बच्चों से वो प्रैक्टिस करवानी है. When I am saying j or g, you have to read only. आप J O G अगर करेंगे या फिर J O B, ये रॉन्ग हुआ. You have to j or g, jog, j or b, job, j a m, jam. Okay, so आपको वैसे रीड करना है. आपको बच्चों को भी वैसे सिखाना है. It is very good. I am very thankful to you कि आप बच्चों के साथ बैठे हो. You listen, but I request you listen in a correct way. आप भी करेक्ट इसमें समझ लीजिए और बच्चों से वो प्रैक्टिस करवाइए. ठीक है? So Gaurav, you have to read j or b, j or b. It is not J O B. It is j or b. ठीक है? And Dishant, you asked me this question, that what is the meaning of jog?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
मीनिंग क्या है? तो मैंने बोला
Yes, ma'am.
था कि जॉग मीनिंग इज व्हेन यू रन, जब आप स्लोली रन करते हो, बहुत फास्ट नहीं, रनिंग मतलब बहुत जोर से रनिंग नहीं, व्हेन यू रन इन अ वेरी स्लो मोशन, स्लो मोशन में जब आप रन करते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज जॉग, जॉगिंग. You must have seen people jogging in a garden or in a park. Yes, समझ में आया गौरव? Dishant, where is Dishant? I can't see Dishant now.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, ठीक है? Okay. Now we will move on to the next. Jog हो गया, job हो गया. Now Rajvi. Rajvi will tell us what is this word, how you will read this word. कैसे read करेंगे आप?
Job.
Job. Very good, Rajvi. Pat your back, pat your back. Yes, you said correct. It is job. Job. Now next word, Arnav Shivale will read this word.
Jot.
Very good, Arnav. Very good. Okay, so it is jot. Okay, now you all will be ready with your notebooks. Chalo. Didi will say the word and you will write it in your notebook without looking at the screen. Okay, without looking, we are going to write it in our notebook. So the first word is jam. 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 Done. Second word, jet. 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 Third word is jug. 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 Fourth word is jog. 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 Jog मतलब jogging करते हैं ना हम लोग. We run slowly, that is called as jogging. Jog. Next word is job. 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 Next word is jet. Jet. Jet नहीं लिखा ना, we haven't wrote this no word, jet. Jet. लिखा? Have we done this? Jet. Okay. And the last word is right. The last word is jot. 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 Thank you, Doha. Thank you, Vrinda. Okay, now there are few sentences also that we will do in our next class. But this today we have done a new sound. And what was that sound? What was that sound? Tejasvi, tell me what was that sound?